To send money from Japan to South Korea, follow these steps. First, choose a suitable money transfer method, such as a bank transfer, online money transfer service, or a money transfer operator like Western Union. Each method has its own fees, exchange rates, and transfer times, so compare these before making a decision. Next, gather the necessary information, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details in South Korea. If using a bank transfer, you will need the recipient's bank name, branch name, and account number. For online money transfer services, you may need the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Now, register for the chosen money transfer method, either online or in person. For bank transfers, visit your bank in Japan and provide the necessary information. For online money transfer services, sign up on the company's website and follow the registration process. After registration, initiate the transfer by logging into your account, either online or through a mobile app, and entering the transfer details. Select the transfer method, enter the recipient's information, and choose the transfer amount. Review the fees, exchange rates, and transfer time before confirming the transfer. Once the transfer is initiated, the money will be sent to the recipient's bank account in South Korea. The recipient can then access the funds, either by withdrawing cash from an ATM or using the money for online transactions. To ensure a smooth transfer, verify the recipient's information and the transfer details before initiating the transfer. Also, be aware of any transfer limits and deadlines, and keep the transfer receipt for your records. Additionally, consider the exchange rates and fees when choosing a money transfer method, as these can affect the amount of money the recipient receives. By following these steps and considering these factors, you can send money from Japan to South Korea quickly and securely. Always research and compares different money transfer methods to find the best option for your needs.